Hi, here's another video. I've got this Beko tumble dryer heater. You can see the thermostats there, which I'm testing, and it's also got a NTC thermistor. I've checked the elements, the heating element, that's working fine. So I'm just going to use my voltage meter for continuity to test the thermostat. There's two on there. You can hear the beep there. That one's working fine. And I'll just check the other one here. Working fine also. And you've got this NTC sensor, which obviously you need to test on home. It's not going to work with the continuity. So what I'm going to do, let me just pop these spade connectors up here, and then I'm going to use this knife to remove it. It's just going to bend. There's two mounts here which I just need to bend out of the way. Two tabs, sorry. Just bend these tabs out of the way. It's a little bit tricky. And once I've got it bent out of the way, I should be able to remove this NTC thermistor in case it needs replacing. So I'll just pop it out. See here, got it out. Nearly. There you can see it's popped out now. Oh, okay. So here's the sensor here, and it's got a number on it, 3125. Let me see if we can get a close up, so you can see 3125. That's the model number. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to use my tester, set it to homes, and if I just put the two prongs on the two connectors here, you'll see the readings start to go up. I'm going to put my thumb on it for the heat. You'll see the reading start to go down. See, it's working its way down there, down to 14. When I let go of it, start to warm back up again, and you see the figures going up. 17. Okay, so that's working fine also, and like I said before, I did check the heater element, that's working fine. So I'm just going to pop this NTC sensor back in, just reverse it before, and then just use this knife to fold the tabs down. You can see here, just fold the two mounting tabs, hold it in place, like so. And then let's put these two spade connectors back on. So I'm pretty happy with that. This seems to be working fine. I'm sort of put it back onto the machine and put the machine back together, as there was previously no heat. And it's pretty much finished now. Let me just stop it here. And as you can see, one towel, nice and dry.